got my license to be a construction worker. I'm so happy.
Are you a construction worker?
Yeah, I'm a construction worker.
I need my TV fixed.
I need your TV fixed. Yeah, that's a big job. But if it is you, Billy, I will fix it for you. You just go over there. Go do something. I don't really care what you do. And I'll go fix your TV really quick.
Ooh, shower.
Billy, your TV's fixed. Come on. I did a very good job, especially for you, Billy. An extra amazing job. Amazing extra. How good it looks very, very amazing. Anyway, Billy, where's my money?
I don't got no.
You don't got any money?
Yeah.
You know how hard I worked to get your TV fixed, Billy? You know how hard that was? You repaid me. You could have not.